Kronox Lab Sciences Limited लेकर आ रहा है अपना IPO on the 3rd of June, that is on Monday. 2008 में incorporate हुई ये कंपनी high purity specialty fine chemicals manufacture करती है for diverse end user industries. ये chemicals use होते हैं for various applications such as manufacturing APIs, pharmaceutical formulations, scientific research and much more. Kronox Lab Sciences also undertakes custom manufacturing to achieve high level of purity as specified by the client, having different purity levels than the prescribed industry standards. The company offers over 185 products which are supplied to customers in India and more than 20 countries globally. इस कंपनी के IPO details कुछ इस तरह है. The IPO opens on June 3rd and ends on June 5th. Price band is ₹129 to ₹136 per share. Lot size ₹110 shares. Total issue size ₹130 crore. इस IPO के बारे में अपने thoughts comment section में जरूर share कीजिएगा.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.